Hey everyone, welcome to Codeless Craft English Edition. I'm Alex.
And I'm Priya. If you are a student, a beginner, or just someone trying to land a job in 2025, this episode is
Let's be real, these days, a degree alone isn't enough.
exactly. Whether you want a job or to earn as a freelancer, skills are what actually matter.
So stick around. We are going to break down the top skills you need in 2025 and where to learn them, absolutely free.
Alright, first up, let's talk core skills. These are basics, but super important.
Number 1, communication skills. Whether it's interviews, presentations, or team projects, this is key.
Totally. You can learn it for free on YouTube or try courses on LinkedIn Learning.
Next is digital literacy, things like browsing safely, basic software, cybersecurity.
And yes, even managing your digital footprint. Google Digital Garage is a great place to start.
Then there is problem solving. This is crucial, not just for tech jobs, but even in exams and real life.
Use platforms like HackerRank to practice. Even ChatGPT can help you break down problems.
And don't forget about building a good resume and portfolio. Use Canva for resumes and GitHub or Behance for portfolios.
One underrated skill: self learning. Learn how to learn. My favorite channels: Ali Abdal and Think School.
Let's move to tech skills. These are in huge demand right now.
First, Python. Great for web development, AI, data science.
You can start learning on FreeCodeCamp or WMOODSCHOLS. Super beginner friendly.
Next, JavaScript React. These are must-haves if you want to become a front-end developer.
Check out Code with Harry or Scrimba for awesome tutorials.
Then there is SQL, essential for data-related jobs. I recommend Mode Analytics or Khan Academy.
GitHub is a must for developers. Learn how to version your code and collaborate.
YouTube has tons of free GitHub crash courses. Just search GitHub for beginners.
Also, get familiar with AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Claude.
They are not just fun, they can supercharge your productivity and creativity.
Designers, we see you. Learn UI UX design using Figma. Their community tab and Coursera are gold mines.
And for backend or DevOps, start with Cloud Basics, AWS or Google Cloud via Quick Labs.
Let's switch gears to creative and freelance skills. This is where you can start earning.
Video editing is a great option. Use CapCut, VN, or Premiere Rush, even on your phone.
Want to write and earn? Try content writing and SEO, perfect for blogging and digital marketing.
Use platforms like Medium or study SEO on Moi.
And if you have got a good voice, try voiceovers or podcasting using tools like TTSMaker or Narkeet.
Need to make thumbnails for YouTube or clients? Use Canva or even Leonardo AI.
Social media management is another top skill. Startups love it.
And yes, people are literally selling Notion templates, PDFs, and making money on Gumroad and Etsy.
Let's not forget prompt engineering. Learn how to write smart prompts for ChatGPT and other AI tools.
Quick bonus round: soft skills you must develop.
Time management, use tools like Notion or Trello.
Adaptability: things change fast in tech. Stay curious and flexible.
Creativity, it's what makes your content or project stand out.
And lastly, initiative: don't wait for someone to tell you. Start a small project today.
Remember, those with skills win the future.
You don't need to master everything. Pick even one skill and go deep. Practice it. Apply it.
Start small. But start today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Codeless Craft English Edition for more practical guides like this.
Those with skills win the future. Learn even one skill properly. Practice regularly. Start small, but start today. Follow channels like Codeless Craft, it will bring a big change in your career.
Thanks for listening and keep building your future.